Hello and welcome to Coast of Gents, and today we're staying at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort.
Stay somewhere I'm looking for.
Checking car.
Where did you see that? Oh, not round here. Picture here. It's not really there.
So here's the Bayliner Diner, which is where you get all your food from. So Cabana Bay has actually got its own Halloween Horror Nights attraction. It's not scary, it's just like a walk around with, you can take pictures and stuff, but it's Chucky's Twisted Playground. But it doesn't open till 2 o'clock. So we can go there when it opens before we head to Horror Nights later tonight. So Cabana Bay has also got quite a big arcade and Galaxy Bowl, which is a full-blown bowling alley, which is quite cool. And it's upstairs as well. So it looks like they've also got a full fitness studio, so a gym. And this is all just in the reception area, so it curves around all the way to here. So just in the shop then, it's got all the different stuff you need if you forgot it. Loads of little things like baby powder, medicines, things like that, as well as all the other merchandise. Here's Lil Boo. So here's the restaurant area for the Bayliner Diner. So we're just walking over to Sapphire Falls now, and you would think this is a really tranquil garden, but it's actually just a bridge that they've made to feel really secluded.
Chucky says turn right to DC. It would be so much more. How do these go around nowadays?
negócio de piscina, tampando a placa. Ele falou, ah, que vantagem. Ah, deve ter um tipo de defesa. Aí passei ali, nós não tirou a caminhonete, agora ficou na minha frente. E essa,
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, we had trouble getting them on a minute ago. Now we want them off.
Parfait, Friday.
Thank you. So glad you approved.